Hi guys, this is Stars of Knowledge London channel. Guys, this is in continuation to our IELTS Speaking Cue Card series 2021 and this is cue card number 62. So this is a new cue card in a detailed way. So let's start our today's video. Well, our topic for the today's cue card is describe a story you heard when you were a child. You should say what the story was, who told you the story, why you liked or disliked it, and explain why you still remember this story. So I'm going to give you a sample answer for this cue card for you to memorize as it is, or you can just take some ideas and make your own cue card, which will be more easier for you to remember if you relate it to yourself. So let's start our sample answer. Probably all of us have those funny grandma stories that we love to share with others. While some of those stories told by grandmas are kind, heartwarming, and full of sage wisdom. However, some other stories from them can be totally hilarious and impressive. One such grandma hilarious story that I would like to share with you today is a story of a newly married wife who had cooked her meat dish with sugar instead of salt. The story goes like this. My grandma needed to attend a post-marriage party or a ceremony at her sister's house. It was a big house with a lot of guests who were busy enjoying their greetings and conversations with the newly married couple. Of course, among many things at the post-marriage ceremony, the talk of the town was the newly married wife was a very good cook, and that the popular demand was she would cook one of her favorite dishes with meat with her own hands for the guests. So the cooking session began as per the scheduled by the designated chefs with the newly married wife. Of course, at the helms of affair, everything was going fine at the party while many appetizing dishes were being cooked in the kitchen in order to be served for honorable guests. Then finally there arrived the much awaited and much anticipated hour of delicatessness, some would say hour of inconvenient truth, and the guests were ready to eat. Firstly, they were served with appetizer, followed by other complimentary dishes. Then, of course, came the day special, which was allegedly cooked by the newly married wife. But unfortunately, it turned out to be the nightmare for the newly married wife, since her special dish was cooked with sugar by mistake instead of salt. Some guests at the dinner table were laughing while the others started to whisper among themselves. Then there was also another group of people who simply looked confused and chose to keep quiet. But as for the newly married wife, the lesser we talk about her, the better she would be served. Anyway, I still remember the story mainly because it was a grandma special. In fact, it is simply an unbeatable and incomparable experience as a child to be able to enjoy a story from your old grandma while enjoying your favorite snacks also at the same time. This funny story also taught me of an important lesson that told us not to boast about our skills or become overconfident about ourselves no matter how good we really are. But above all, I still remember this story because I literally forced my grandma to cook the special food with her own hands so that I could enjoy it as well. Needless to say, that particular dish made with meat and mushrooms became one of my favorite dishes of all time later on. So guys, this is the sample answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge London and hit the bell icon so that you do get notification on your timeline when we post any other videos. Thank you students. Thanks a lot and good luck for your examinations.